Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliates. Today we're going to continue with our $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Alright, so if you don't know, you can make one sale in this can get you $120 monthly commission, guys. Monthly commissions. And I want to show you guys what happened yesterday. Boom. I got two sales yesterday using my lead gen secrets here.
Nice.
Now you see I have $40 in here. Now the the program that they're on gives them 2 free weeks of the $100 program. So that should come in within the next 2 weeks for them. So that's $240 I just made, guys. Now if you subtract what I pay, which is $125, $145, look, which is $150, I meant to say. Then I make $240, $150, $90. I made $90 commission. Quick mouse. So I make $90 in commissions every month. So that's $90 already, guys, in profit. Just that quick. I got 2 sales yesterday, and this is crazy. So this program is already in the positives for me. Yesterday was just a really lucky day. I don't know what to say. The emails worked or whatever. I used my emails yesterday. That's what the difference was. I think I used my emails that I wrote personally. I don't know what it was, but it worked. I got 2 sales, so this does work, guys. Got proof that it works now. So, like I stated before, you get $20 and then you get monthly commissions, $100 monthly commission. Combined together, you'll get $120 off of every person. Now, let me show you guys what I mean here. So, what they did, this is the page they see. They came down here. Now, this is worth, you pay this $125 a month, but you get it for free for 2 months, and then you start paying $125 a month in 2 weeks. So that's what they did. They did this and then bought this product for $25. Now I know this because I've been seeing emails about everything they bought. I don't want to show their information, so I'm not going to show the emails. But yeah, so that's That's $240 already, guys. One day. 2 sales. That's all I needed. Now I'm in positive. That's why I'm trying to show you guys this. This works and how easy it is to get started on this. You only need 2 sales because it's 80% commissions. 80% monthly commissions. There is no system better than this. So, get started on this, promoting this. And we're using my lead gen secrets to promote it. So let's go to it and start on that. All right, so we're going to go to the mailing system here. Going in right here. And then we're going to look at the emails. Now, yesterday, I didn't make a video, but I did send emails. And I sent my email that I made a long time ago, the ones I wrote. So we're going to go back to those here. Building up my money. This is my next one that I wrote. I gotta pay. I got this written somewhere, guys. I'm just sending my email here, and this one I wrote. But it's very easy to come up with something here. So we're just gonna replace the product here for this product that we're using now. We're gonna get the link here. All right. Go back to the system, get that in. We're using this email for everything. We're using one of my emails I written. So y'all can look at it like this: $250 a week, build my money up. I'll read it for you guys, just in case y'all want to copy it or something. The system is still working. Still in my first week, and I am making money by the day. Been about 6 days, and I can add another $50 to the $200 that I will be getting every month. and it just keep going to add up. Doesn't seem like much, but remember that this is every single month. No real work required at all for me earlier. Easiest money I ever made. The system is still pretty cheap, but the price will go up soon. Join before the price doubles. Sincerely, I put a picture of me and I edited it a little bit to make it look like a photo that you taped up. But that, and then got my signature at the bottom there. I think this worked pretty well and got the clicks. So yeah, that's the email there. Very simple. You see how easy and simple that email is? It's not a lot of words or nothing. So we're just gonna send that using Perfect Timing. What Perfect Timing does, send an email around the time people check their emails. All right, so we're gonna send that here. And we're pretty much just gonna copy paste once we get that started, because we got 3 accounts, right? Let's go to the next account here. We go to the next account, we make a new tab. If you got a new account, right, you keep this tab open and you go to the next tab here. So we're gonna go to the next tab and then log into the next account. Since we're using 3 accounts for this product, let's continue on with that. Now the email that we want to grab is building my money up. Boom. I already wrote these. That's the cool thing about my lead gen secrets. Once you already wrote an email, you can just go look for it and find it. So anyway, we're just gonna put that in, paste that, boom. And since the link is very official, I bought incomespeaks.com. Since it's very official, it's much more likely to end up in their Gmail account, their inbox, not under promotion or spam, but more likely to end up in their primary because of that. I just wanted to show you guys that. So you might want to buy a domain name. They're pretty cheap on Namecheap. You can go to Namecheap and get them. I don't think they got affiliate system over there, Namecheap, but I think the reason why is because it's really cheap. So anyway, we're gonna send the email though. Boom. And we're done here, guys. And we're gonna log into the next account here. The 3rd account. But yeah, as you can see, we already are in profit. Let's go do this real quick before I forget. We'll talk later. We'll talk after I'm finished, because I get distracted very easily. So let's get this done first. Alright, so Perfect Timing. The reason why I'm putting I don't know why, but sitting a little bit lower on your 250 a week. I don't pick the $ or nothing like that. That seems to, because $ seems to trigger Google, Gmail. See, I picked 250 a week. Gmail see $ and kind of see that more spammy. So they might consider putting that either in promotion or spam. But you want to end up in that primary. But people check their primary way more than they'll check promotion or anything else. Definitely ain't finna check no spam. So, alright, so make sure the link works real quick. I haven't checked that yet, and it does. Alright. Sorry about that. So anyway, we send that email and we are done, guys. So this is proof that this works. Let's go back to the page here. Go that. This is proof that this works. I can't scroll down too much so I give them information about the people that signed in, but this is proof that it's worked. I'm at $40 because they paid the $25 at the beginning there. I will get the $100 I will get the 100 within 2 weeks because it's free for the first 2 weeks. So this is working, guys. You know, this is proof that it works. I'm gonna show it. I want to show you guys that it works, and you can build this up and understand something. Each sale ain't just $120. Each sale is $120 per month. All right, that means that my next sale means $360 per month. I get another sale. The next sale means $480 per month. That sale is $600 per month. 5 people, $600 per month. That's insane. That's so insane. I mean, base that on what I have to pay personally. $600 minus $150, that's $450 a month, guys. Still a ton of money for 5 people. That's why I want to show you guys this. This is the best affiliate system, all in one. It's right here, $120 monthly commissions, all in one business. Best system I have ever seen. And you don't have to struggle with sales. Only at the beginning. You don't need to constantly get sales. You get to the point where it pays for everything, you don't need to worry about it too much anymore. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm trying to promote this, guys, because this is the best affiliate marketing system on the planet right now, I think. I ain't seen nothing better than this. I'm sorry I'm kind of going in circles here. I'm just trying to show y'all the potential of this system. It's so insane. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. You know what I mean? And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.